Hi guys, this video is for the 30 million American men and the 100 million men worldwide who have erectile dysfunction. This video is about the one substance that can cure erectile dysfunction. If you have any questions about this video or any videos in my channel, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. Let's take a look at this information. For years, there's been the common thought that as one grew older, one had erectile dysfunction. So therefore, erectile dysfunction was an age-related condition. Well, it's not an age-related condition. It's a condition brought on by the decrease in nitric oxide availability. Nitric oxide availability is due to healthy arterial walls. And the only relationship between age and ED is that the older you get, the longer time you have for damage to happen to arterial walls. That's the only relationship between age and ED. Don't let them fool you. If you have healthy arterial walls, then you won't have erectile dysfunction, as long as erectile dysfunction is caused by poor blood flow. Now, nitric oxide, which is the chemical we're talking about, has been known for 20-odd years. In fact, 3 American doctors received the Nobel Prize in Medicine for discovering nitric oxide and its usage. It's a major player in triggering male erections. Without adequate nitric oxide, there is no male erection. Period. Now, Johns Hopkins Medical School have done research, and over the years they found the biochemical process necessary to stay erect, and it all surrounds nitric oxide production. That's as long as there's not nerve damage, as long as you're not have a disease like MS or Parkinson's, which are nerve issues, and it's a blood flow issue, then it's a nitric oxide production problem. Now, nitric oxide signals the arterial walls to relax. Now, when that happens, you get increased blood flow. As a side benefit from being able to have erections, it also helps normalize blood pressure. But it is the major element in producing an erection. There's a lot of information about nitric oxide therapy, more than we can talk about in this short news update. If you'd like to see a really good video on nitric oxide therapy and how it can work with high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, complications of diabetes, and what we're talking about, erectile dysfunction, just click on that red arrow and it'll take you to that video, or if you'd like, you can follow the link to that video in the description below. If you have any questions about nitric oxide therapy, this video or any of the videos on my channel, give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.